This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee cup lids, specifically these great Restpresso coffee cup lids. They're 3.6 inches in diameter, and they're made to go with the corresponding Restaurantware cups, and they'll fit the 8, 12, 16, and 20-ounce cups. You should check the listings and they'll give you the details on the corresponding cups that you can buy that match these lids. The fact that they fit 4 different sizes means that they're a great space saver. So if you have a cafe or a bakery and you're looking for products to do hot beverage service, this is a nice one because you can stock multiple sizes of cups and one size of lid to fit them, and you're never struggling to figure out which one goes with which, and they also take up less space. In addition to the fact that they'll fit 4 sizes of cups, they come in 5 colors, which is fantastic for branding opportunities. You have the black, gray, white, hot pink, which is probably our favorite, and the lovely and bright lime green. And when you combo the lid options with the cup options, you kind of have endless possibilities to mix and match to make something that's customized to your brand and the look you need. So whether it's for an actual business, if you're running a bakery, a cafe, or a food truck, or if you're looking for something for a corporate event or another party just at home for your friends, this is a great way to put in some fun details and touches. They're all made of recyclable plastic, and they have a nice snug fit to the cup to help prevent leaks and spills. In addition to that, you can see they have a nice little elevated drinking spout on this rim, and they also have a lovely little vent in the back, which is a great touch. It kind of allows for nice smooth sipping and less spills, which is fantastic. These little lids are perfect, especially when combined with their matching cups, for the service of espresso, coffee, tea, cocoa, any other kind of hot beverage like cider, especially in those fall and winter months.